Hey guys, welcome to the fourth lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. Previously, we have learned the first bowl, Ka Te Te. We hope you have practiced it well. If you have not seen the previous video, then you can catch up with that by clicking the link in description. The first bowl is very important as the other bowls depend on the first bowl. Therefore, in today's lesson, we are going to learn a new bowl. We will take the previous bowl, that is Ka Te Te, and we will add a new bowl, that is Na Te Te, combining it like Ka Te Te Na Te Te. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss any new updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. At first, when we learn the bowl, it is important to note that in this bowl, Na is very important. Therefore, kindly practice very precisely. Now let's see how to play it. Well, that's how it should be played. And with this, we are ending today's lesson here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the 5th lesson of the Tabla series. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.